When it comes to creating amazing 3D models or 3D environments in Blender, there are a few Blender add-ons in Blender Market that can help you get the job done faster and better, and take your projects to the next level. Are you tired of having to manually create ivy and vines in Blender? Well, you don't have to worry anymore. The Baga Ivy Generator is an amazing add-on that allows you to add vines and ivy to any object with ease. With this add-on, you can enjoy full control over your ivy and vine generation. It includes 30 types of ivy and over 120 assets with various customizations such as material adjustment, movement animation, and resolution. The Baga Ivy Generator comes with an extensive library of presets and assets that you can use to create the perfect ivy or vine for your project. You can select a preset, select a target, set a start point and start drawing. Each preset has its own settings to generate the species in the most accurate way. The library contains over 120 assets and 30 different varieties of ivy. The Baga Ivy Generator is also compatible with both Cycles and Eevee, so you can create stunning visuals with the same ease. You can also adjust the material, movement, and resolution of your ivy or vine as needed. With this add-on, you can create realistic ivy and vines with ease. If you're looking for a way to create beautiful ivy and vines without having to manually create them, then the Baga Ivy Generator is the perfect choice for you. With its extensive library of presets and assets, you can create realistic ivy and vines with ease. So what are you waiting for? Give the Baga Ivy Generator a try and enjoy creating beautiful ivy and vines with ease.